Is Udemy actually worth buying courses from? If you're asking that question, you're probably about to spend money on a course and want to make sure it's worth it. The short answer is, for most people, yes. But not for the reason you might think. The biggest value of Udemy isn't the certificate. It's the skill. If learning a course helps you land a better job, improve your business, automate a task, get a freelance client, launch a website, learn AI, or solve a problem faster, then the return on investment can be huge compared to the price of the course. That's why millions of learners continue using Udemy. Whether it's ChatGPT, AI agents, Python, data science, AWS, cybersecurity, digital marketing, project management, copywriting, web development, or business strategy, the platform focuses heavily on practical skills that can be applied in real-world situations. Now, let's be honest. Not every course on Udemy is amazing. Some courses are excellent. Some are average. That's why it's important to check ratings, reviews, instructor credibility, student enrollment numbers, and how recently the course was updated before purchasing. But if you choose a highly rated course from a trusted instructor, Udemy can be one of the most affordable ways to learn valuable skills online. In fact, many popular courses cost less than a meal at a restaurant during promotional periods, while the knowledge can potentially benefit you for years. So, is Udemy worth buying courses from? If your goal is learning practical, job-relevant skills, and you're willing to actually apply what you learn, then yes, for most learners, it's absolutely worth it. And before you buy any course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, available promotions, and current coupon offers that may help you get the course you want at the best possible price. And if you enjoy finding honest software reviews, online course deals, coupon codes, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.